Ever wished you could get the beautiful, intuitive look of Tradingview on the powerful engine of MetaTrader 4? Today, we're going to transform your MetaTrader 4 experience. Making it feel more like the Tradingview interface you know and love. We'll focus on enhancing MT4's aesthetics to bridge that visual gap, all without sacrificing its core trading capabilities. First, let's tackle the most impactful change: the color scheme. Open your MT4 platform, right-click anywhere on your chart, and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Colors tab. This is where the magic begins. We'll replicate Tradingview's popular dark theme. Change your background to a deep charcoal or black. Your foreground, which controls the axes, time, and price labels, should be a lighter shade, like a subtle gray for bull candle. Choose a vibrant green, and for bear candle, a strong red. Experiment with other elements like grid lines, selecting a very faint gray or disabling them altogether for a cleaner look. See the difference? It's already feeling much more streamlined now. Let's refine the chart appearance. Back in the Properties window's Common tab, we can further enhance clarity. Consider disabling the Show OHLC values. If you prefer a cleaner price display, also uncheck Shift Price Axis to stop the chart from automatically shifting. Many Tradingview users prefer a minimalistic approach to indicators. Let's clear out unnecessary default indicators. Go to the Insert menu, then Indicators, and select Custom or any other category. If you see any default indicators you don't use, simply click on them and then click Delete. To get that smooth, flowing look, we'll adjust the candlestick appearance. Right-click on the chart again and select Candlesticks, then choose Properties. While MT4 doesn't have the exact same smooth line rendering as Tradingview, we can experiment with the color options here. For the candles themselves, some users find selecting Color for both up and down candles, then using subtle variations of green and red for each creates a softer look. You can also try adjusting the body wireframe to be thinner. Finally, let's organize our workspace. Tradingview's layout is often very clean in MT4. Go to View and then Object List. Here, you can manage all your placed objects and indicators. Right-click on any object you don't need and select Delete. This helps declutter your chart significantly. You can save this clean layout as a template. Go to Charts, then Template, and Save Template. Give it a name like Tradingview Look. Now, whenever you open a new chart, you can quickly apply this template under Charts, Template, and select your saved theme. And there you have it. By tweaking your colors, clearing unnecessary elements, and saving your template, you've transformed your MT4 platform to feel much more like the Tradingview interface, combining powerful analysis with beautiful design. Happy trading!